this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and I really don't know what I was thinking today, but I'm fixing a dish that I wanted to show y'all and didn't even turn the tape on, the camcorder on, so now I've got to tell you what I've got in here. I'm fixing a bean soup, and I know you can see this, and what I've got is I've got 1 pound of pinto beans in here and 1 pound of northern beans in here, and then along with that I've cut up of course I let my beans soak or whatever and rinse them out, and now and put them in here, and I chopped up, this is my ham, my leftover ham from Thanksgiving that I've put in here, and I've chopped up, I don't know, I would say if you get one of those ham steaks at the store, probably that's the amount of ham that I put in here. Just as much ham as you want to. I might even put in more, I'm not sure. But I also cut up 4 stalks of celery. I chopped that up, and about a pound of carrots, I chopped them up, and 1 medium onion. I've got 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt in here, since they're, the beans had no salt or whatever in them when I was soaking them. And so now I've got this on high, and I'm letting it come up to a boil, and when it comes up to a boil, then I'll cut it down and let it simmer for, I don't know, probably a couple hours. When I bring you back and let you know, I'll let you know for sure how long I'll let this cook, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, here is the bean soup. I've never had this before. It looks really good and it smells good. And what I did was I just turned the heat off on this and let it sit. And I've got it in a older bowl. I'm not eating anything fancy or whatever. And over here on the table, I just got a drone today, so I'm going to be doing some videos with the drone so that you can see around where I live. And I'm going to be doing a lot of Christmas videos on cookies and candies and stuff like that I'm doing. So y'all stick around and let me try this bean soup and see what it tastes like. Oh wow. That is good. I put 3 small bay leaves in here, and I put, I think it was 2 more cups of water. But the description, in the description box below, the recipe will be there and the ingredients. And so, I hope you like this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look in the description box below for my Facebook page, my Twitter, Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats. And you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.